Oh guys, it's that time of year again. The snow is falling if you don't live in south central Kansas, and the decorations are going up, and the wives are putting up the Christmas trees, and well, actually they've been doing that for a few months now, haven't they? But sometimes you gotta have an excuse to go buy ammunition, especially in this day and age. And the reason for me to go buy ammunition this time of year is, honey, I gotta go make more Christmas decorations. Observe. So what you're going to need is a shell casing. Now you can do this with either or a straight wall case or a bottleneck cartridge. I'll show you the bottleneck cartridge because it's easier. The next thing you'll need is one of these little hooks here and a pair of pliers. I can get a pair of those. Now the best way I figured out how to do this is to take and bend that out like so, bend this in like so, that a little more out, there, so you get that shape right there, okay? And then let's do the bottleneck 556 first, see if it'll fit in, and it does, and boom, you got yourself a little Christmas decoration. It helps if you have shinier brass, but you know, that gets used for other things around here. Let's try that again with a straight wall cartridge. Now, this, I think, is a 7.62 by 38. Yep. So, you can't really tell, but if now this one doesn't have it so much. There's usually a little lip you can hook onto in there. But we're just going to pretty much do the same thing. You just take, bend out, at a sharp angle, bend in. It doesn't have to look pretty. And straighten out a little bit. Like that. And we'll shove that all the way down. And we'll just shove this thing in here like this. Should be a pretty tight fit. There we go. And we got ourselves another cartridge ornament. And you can do this with a wide variety, like we got a 45-70 here, a 45 Colt, 7.62 by 38, you know, just random calibers. And the last step is to have the wife, let's face it, you, to go and put your Christmas decorations on. Like so, that 45-70, you weigh that little branch down a little bit. And there you have it. Now, we could probably hang this one up there somewhere. It'd probably fit in just right. Decorating your Christmas tree the American way